Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today I continue our series on our best value projects since we started. Today we're highlighting bath crates for the master bathroom. So here are our top 5 best value bath crates for master bathrooms since we started the company back in 2010. Number 5, Bath Crate McKenna Drive in Turlock. Now, everything about this bathroom was redone other than the actual vanity refinishing, but still it got a brand new top, a brand new plumbing fixtures at the vanity, new mirror, and then as you pivot over to the tub and the shower area, you're going to see all new tub and shower finishes, including a stunning new frameless shower enclosure. This entire project came together for only $22,300, including labor, materials, fixture, design, permitting, everything out the door. Coming in at number 4, Bath Crate Tuscany Drive in Manteca. You're not going to recognize this project between the before and afters because it's a brand new vanity top, 2 beautiful new framed mirrors over this vanity, and as you pivot around, gone is that old soaking tub that this customer didn't use any longer, and in comes a much larger shower enclosure with gorgeous tile surround and floor. And then instead of that bathtub, we converted that area into a new makeup counter area that's super functional and a much better use of that space. This entire bath crate came together for only $21,800 and just 3 weeks of construction. Number 3 in our countdown, Bath Crate Casual Lane in Turlock. Now this is another master bathroom where an old soaking tub was removed to make way for a larger, better laid out shower area. You'll see the shower actually switched from its existing location to a new location. The exterior window got shorter for privacy issues, and what that created was a void next to the shower that's perfect for a little bench, a hamper, robe hooks, those types of things. As you pivot around and look at the vanity area, a completely refinished vanity with a new mirror over the top, and of course all new plumbing fixtures. This particular bath crate came in at $21,400. It was an exceptional value for the scope of work that was completed. Coming in at number 2, Bath Crate Bosch Drive in Ripon. The biggest change on this project you'll notice is at the shower area. Gone is that frosted shower enclosure, and now you can see in through the new clear shower enclosure to a beautiful new tiled shower, including a nice new bench, all new plumbing fixtures, and sliced pebble shower floor. And over at the vanity, we didn't do much on the actual vanity cabinet, but the new vanity top and fixtures are in place. 2 new separate mirrors as opposed to 1 large mirror. And once again, I love the way the darker tones on this project play against the new lighter, brighter shower. This entire project came together for under $20,000, roughly $19,500, and this customer was really impressed at the bang for the buck they received. And our number 1 best bath crate value for master bathroom since we started, Bath Crate Stone Terrace in Modesto. You're not going to recognize the before and afters of this project because every surface was affected and in a very powerful, dramatic way. What I want to point out is the new cabinet refinishing at the vanity, new vanity top, and then as you spin around, you can see a very distinct shower tile design. A white tile with a gray grout really pops for you. A clear shower enclosure, a new bench in the shower as well, all new plumbing fixtures. I just love the very bold, distinct look of these finishes, and the price tag, unbelievable at $19,000 all inclusive. So if you have a master bathroom that needs attention, Bath Crate would love to help. Go ahead and call us at 888-995-7996 or log on to kbCrate.com. You're going to see hundreds of past projects. You can also schedule a phone consultation with myself or a member of my team. We look forward to talking with you, and thanks for watching.